What? What? This is insane.
Yeah, one
Oh
hand
my
there.
God.
Yeah, like that. Wow.
Whoa!
Don't bite.
Exactly the way.
Leopard purple is because of the flowers. You can grab it 3 feet.
It looks pretty cool outside. Yesterday was pretty bad. The weather was bad, but it's supposed to be raining throughout this whole week here in Diani Beach in Kenya. But the weather looks pretty good this morning. The sun's out, which is pretty good. So, what? You can open the door? Yesterday the weather was terrible. It was really bad. Like as you can see, like behind me there's a lot of dark clouds start piling up. So probably later on it's gonna start pouring.
You ready for Africa, Dad?
You ready for Africa?
Yeah.
We already here.
No. Africa.
We already here, man.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Get in. Let's go.
What do you say?
thank you.
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Used to too much chaos, and sometimes a car lose control, goes with people, and so
Okay, so now the government give them this area
this
just to
area.
sell.
Yeah.
That's really nice. I like that. Wow.
So
But it seems kind of empty today. Just as
today is Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And, we don't have major farms here for
Oh,
maybe
okay.
things like avocado. They are being deported from up countries like
okay.
past Nairobi, so with the trucks and so. Like you can see, this one has just brought some cabbages and so. People buy it, the one
Yeah.
who are selling, and then
that's-
they sell to the people. The only main food crop here is they normally do more it's cassava.
Cassava?
Yeah.
Man, I love cassava,
It's
man. Cassava with peanut butter,
Yeah,
avocado, everything.
It's in cost. It's a small market, but
It's
that's
really nice. Yeah, but at least like the government giving them this area
Yeah.
now, everybody know the specific area
So
people
if
could
you
come.
want to start your own thing, you come and have something small like this, and
Yeah.
yeah, you only
Wow.
pay for the county, and I think every day they pay almost like 50 bob.
50 bucks, okay.
Yeah, 50 bob.
Wow. That's really nice. Come on, guys, let's go. Run, Zachary, run.
Don't ever play with this. It's very bad.
Those are hot peppers.
This is fire. It's more fire than the other ones.
Yeah, I love eating hot food, but not that spicy. So we're gonna go to the other side of the market where they sell clothes.
Not over yet. They are still.
Oh, yeah, okay, they're still working.
Yeah, it's still on the process.
Okay.
See, they're having another building there.
Yeah. Yeah, they're still developing. The market is not done fully open yet, so still working.
second-hand clothes, which are more cheaper than going to the shop.
Okay.
Maybe a short like that one you can get for 500 or 400.
Okay. Those are what they sell second-hand clothes over here.
Pepe?
Yeah. So you can come here then looking for clothes, whatever that you want. But everything here is just second-hand clothes. Come on, come
As
on.
you can see, most of the people have closed because it's Sunday today.
So
So most of them are closed.
it's Sunday, everybody's at home or
And
activities.
How they secure
They secure everything. Make sure nobody touch. Make sure nobody don't touch anything. That's good. So when they done with everything, this is gonna be a huge market.
Yeah, very usual. Very usual.
Wow. This is really
They-
nice.
They want to stop this selling beside the road and so.
Yeah, I think that's really help when they give them a big place like that to sell stuff instead of just selling this as a road.
Yeah.
So
There are some still selling on the road, but sometimes they have this inspection, so they have to run from the police.
yeah, this space is gonna be huge when it's done. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a big
I like
market.
it, Daddy.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too.
Need something. Everybody should come in one place.
Yeah, everybody should come in one place and get what you need, then go home. So this is what the government don't want. All these people on the side of the road selling stuff. So the government's building like a big market for them, so they don't have to be on the side of the street. But as you can see, there's a lot of people here in that area selling stuff right on the side of the road. But this will change pretty soon.
You've been here so many times. Yeah.
This is the favorite place we normally bring the guests.
Okay.
Oh.
They
Okay.
want the village tour and all that.
Oh, nice.
That's really
Okay.
nice.
There are some you bring, you
Jungle
tell
snake.
them about it. They say yes, let's go, let's go.
Uh-huh.
But when they reach at the signboard, they say turn, turn.
They don't like the snitch. Those are the Nile crocodiles? Wow.
The first largest
Are you
crocodile
tall?
in Africa.
Enough for you
Oh,
here?
man.
Up to 6 meters long.
Enough? Are you okay?
The most aggressive crocodile in Africa. You cannot teach it or train it to become a friend. They're not like alligators.
This is crazy. Oh. Sorry.
We feed them small pieces of meat, like cow's meat or goat's meat.
Okay.
Yeah, like 15 kg. Then we give them. Once they can stay more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks without food.
2 or 3 weeks?
Yeah, 3 weeks.
That's a long time.
Then you look the front legs and back legs. They're different. Back legs they have a waves like a duck because of swimming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, inside the water they can stay more than 2 hours without breathing. A normal crocodile has no tongue.
Wow,
Any
this
questions?
is awesome. How big they can get?
They can grow more than 5 meters long.
Wow.
Yeah. Then they live like us in reality. They can live more than 100 years.
More than 100 years.
Yeah, 100 years. Because they are mating,
That's-
they start from 18 years. When a male reaches 18 years, then he's starting to look for princess. When they mate, they take 3 months for honeymoon. No babies, no pregnant. Every year from August. After the honeymoon, the female one gets out of water, she digs a hole, she lays eggs, then she buries them. The eggs, they stay up to 91 days, then they hatch.
Wow. 100 years.
They are
That's a long
11
time.
years old.
Oh, those are 11 years old.
All of them.
All of them.
But you can look, some
But
are
I see
big.
some of them are bigger than the other. Some of them are bigger than others.
Yeah, it's depend because of the hatching from the first to the last.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
And female that have a bright yellow color, such as the male. But male that black.
Oh, the males are blacker.
Yeah, male that.
Darker.
So tortoises that have been grouped into 3 groups.
Mm-hmm.
We have tortoises which they live on land. We have the terrapins which they live in fresh water, or you can find them in swamps or dams or lakes. Then we have the third group that are called turtles. You can find them in salt water in the ocean. So here we have 2 types.
2 types.
Yeah, we have this type, then we have this type.
Okay.
This type is called
I
the
get
bark.
that.
Yeah, this type is called bark-hinged tortoise because of the door. They close and open for protection.
Okay.
You can hold like this.
Yeah.
Hold it, Zachary.
They don't bite.
Wow.
Zachary's holding.
Yeah.
That's a big
Ah,
one.
you're the great one.
That's a big one, Zach.
So
Yeah.
this one they call leopard tortoise because of the flowers.
Mommy.
They
Okay.
can grow up to 3 feet. They can live more than 300 years.
300 years?
Yeah, this one they're still growing.
So how old is this one?
I don't know the exact age. She's older than me. Because she has been here for more than 20 years. In this small tree we have a chameleon.
Oh, there it is.
We want to
if I
see
can
how
zoom.
chameleon they eat.
Oh boy. What the?
The tank is 2 times the body.
Oh man.
My goodness.
You know what? So these ones is not easy to split fast,
Okay.
and if they bite you, you can take 24 hours. Then you start to bleed. Your nose, eyes, then kaput.
Ooh. That's a bad way to go.
It's like you having Ebola.
The boom slang in our language we call this type of snake banga oya.
Banga oya.
Doctor, go back. Even the doctor comes back, you will die. Because in Kenya we don't have the antidote of this snake. The only antidote is produced in South Africa.
So that means before they bring that over here, you'll be dead.
You'll be dead, but you can stay like 2. You can stay like 3 hours, 1 week. If this snake bites you after 24 hours, you start to bleed in the charms. Then you can stay like a 1 week. So you can enjoy yourself after 5 days. You reach a whale, then kaput.
Wow.
So these
Oh
ones
my
that are born
God.
here.
The magic kid is here. The magic kid is eating.
Oh! Oh my! What? Oh my God! This is insane.
You wanna try?
Ooh-wee.
Come on.
You can.
Yeah, stand there.
Oh my God!
Just free hold, don't hold tightly. No, you hold like a baby. No, here, put one hand. No, don't hold tightly. No, she's totally chill. You just put your hand here. Oh, no, just leave her. She doesn't bite you. She's not bite. She's not even
Oh
bite.
my goodness!
Yeah, one hand
Oh
there.
my God!
Yeah, like that. Wow.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Do you feel the muscles?
Oh yeah, I feel it.
They use this type of snakes
Hey.
for massage.
So strong. Oh.
Yeah, you see? You boy?
Wow. Wow. Oh my. Hey, this is the first time I hold the biggest snakes ever. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That was awesome, man. Oh my God, that's the first time in my life I'm holding a big python like that, man. This thing was huge.
So we have our social media also. There you can you take the social media.
Yeah, I took the name on the phone.
Yes, yes. Oh, you
So-
see our videos. Sometimes we rescue the
Okay.
snakes
The
from the
Jungle
farm.
Snake is the name of your social media.
Yes, Jungle
Okay.
Snake Farm.
Jungle Snake Park. Jungle Snake Park. That's the name of the YouTube channel. Wow, man. This was one hell of an experience for me. And this guy over there put a snake in his mouth. Man, that was crazy, man. Wow, to be honest, man, I was terrified when he
It is a world job.
Wow. Thank you, man. Thank you.
What is your name again? Okay. One by one. Ladies first, man. Where? Angalia.
Oh my God.
Make a line here.
All right, I got it. Yeah.